Hello everyone and welcome back to Real Gaming Files. Today we are talking about one of the most interesting characters in GTA 6. Lucia ever Silence Rockstar realized the first GTA 6 trailer. Millions of fans around the world haven't been asking the same question: who is Lucia and what role will she play in the story? Lucia is not just another character, she is making history because she is the first female protagonist in a modern Grand Theft Auto game. This is one of the biggest changes Rockstar has ever made, and many fans are excited to see how her story will unfold. When the first GTA 6 trailer was realized, Lucia quickly became one of the most talking about characters in the game. People started correcting theories, making videos and decisions every small detail about her. Even today many questions about Lucia remain unanswered. The first time we see Lucia in the trailer, she is wearing a Persian uniform. She is sitting in what looks like a person or correctional female. A woman asks her a simple question: do you want now? Where her Lucia answer with only two words: bad luck, I guess. This short moment became one of the most famous scenes in the trailer. Fans immediately starting asking questions. Why was Lucia arrested? What crime did she commit? Was she really quality or was she simply in the wrong place at the wrong time? Rockstar has not answered these questions yet, and that mystery has made Lucia even more interesting. After the Persian scene, we see Lucia living outside Persian and spending time with another important character named Jason. From the trailer, it looks like Jason and Lucia trust each other. They work together, drive together, and possibly commit crimes together. Many fans believe that their relationship will be main focused of GTA 6 stories. If this is true, GTA 6 could tell one of the most emotional stories Rockstar has ever created. One interesting thing about Lucia is her personality from the small scene shown in the trailer. She appears confident, brave, and intelligent. She does not seem afraid of dangerous situations. Instead, she looks like someone who is ready to fight for what she wants. This is one reason why fans have become so interesting in character. Another important detail is where Lucia lives. GTA 6 takes place in Vice City and the states of Leondia. These locations are inspired by real places in Florida. This man Lucia's story will take place in the world of crime, manage, danger, and operation. Just like Preven's rockstar characters, Lucia may have a difficult past. Perhaps she grew up in a poor area. Maybe she made mistake when she was younger, or maybe she was forced into a life of crime because of Crimson. Right now, nobody knows the truth, and that exactly what makes her character so exciting. Rockstar has always been famous for creating memorable characters like Tommy Verrectal, Nico Bellic, Arthur Morgan, and Michael DeSanta become legends in gaming. Many fans now believe that Lucia could become one of Rockstar's greatest characters ever. The trailer also shows Lucia taking part in dangerous situations. We see action scenes, fast driving, and moments that suggest she will be a major role in the criminal world of GTA 6. But one question still remains: is Lucia the hero of the story, or is she simply trying to survive in a dangerous world? In the next part of this video, we will talk about Lucia's relationship with Jason, the stories surrounding the story, and why fans believe the could become the most famous duo in GTA history. Now let's start about one of the biggest mysteries in GTA 6, and that is Lucia's relationship with Jensen. From the first trailer, it is very clear that Jason and Lucia have a strong connection. We see them spending time together, driving together, and taking part in dangerous situations together. Rockstar has not officially explained their relationship, but many fans believe they are more than just partners in crime. Some people think they are in a romantic relationship, others believe they are simply trying to survive together in a dangerous world. Whatever the truth is, one thing is certain: Jason and Lucia will be at the center of GTA 6 stories. One scene from the trailer became very popular among fans. In that scene, Lucia and Jason are talking to each other inside a room. The way they speak and look at each other suggests that there is a deep level of trust between them. Trust is a very important part of every Rockstar story. In previous Rockstar game, relationship between characters often change throughout that story. Friends become impress partner, betrayed each other. People made a difficult choice to survive. Become of these many fans believe that Jason and Lucia's relationship could become emotional, dramatic, and sometimes even dangerous. Another interesting theory is the rock star may have taken inspiring from famous criminal couple from history and movies. Two people working together agents the world creator a story full of action, emotional and suspense. This could make GTA 6 feel different from previous games. Let's talk about Jason for a moment. Unlike Lukia, Rockstar has shared very little information about him. However, from what we have seen, Jason appears calm, smart, and experienced. He does not seem like someone who acts without thinking. Many fans believe he may have experience in crime before meeting Lucia. Some theories suggesting that Jason and Lucia may start their criminal journey together after a difficult event changed their lives. Others believe they were already involved in crime before the story begins. At the moment, nobody knows the truth, but this mystery is exactly that makes GTA 6 so exciting. Another reason fans are interested in Lucia is because she looks different from previous GTA protagonists. Characters like Tommy Vertek, Thurman Pilpels, and Nikki Bills were all very difficult people with different personalities. Lucia also appears to have own unique style and personality. She looks confident, she looks strong, and most importantly, she looks determined. This could make her one of the most memorable character Rockstar has ever character. Many players are also wondering how gameplay will work with Jensen and Lucia. Will players switch between both characters like GTA 5 or will Rockstar create a completely new system? Right now there is no official answer, but many people expect Rockstar to introduce new feature that make switching between characters feel new realistic. Another popularity there is that player choice may affect the relationship between Jason and Lucia. Imagine making a decision that change how they trust each other or how their story ends. If Rockstar including a future like this, GTA 6 could become one of the most emotional and replay games ever made. There is also a lot of decisions about Lucia's personality and future. Will she become a powerful criminal leader? Will she try to escape her criminal life or will she face difficult choices that change everything? At the point nobody knows, but one thing is clear. Lucia is already one of the most popular and talk about characters in gaming history and players around the world cannot wait to discover her full story. In the final part of this video, we will talk about fan theories, Lucia's possible future, and why many people believe she could become Rockstar greatest characters ever. Now let's start about the future of Lucia and why so fans believe the could become one of the Rockstar greatest characters ever. Ever since the first GTA 6 trailer was released, fans have created thousands of theories about Lucia's story. Some people believe that she will start as a small criminal and slowly become one of the most popular people in the Vice City. Others think that her journey will be about survival, trust, and difficult choices. One of the biggest theories is that Lucia wants a better life. In the trailer, she does not look like someone who enjoys violence of chores. Instead, she appears to be a person trying to surviving in a dangerous world. The cold may her story every emotional and different from previous GTA games. Many fans also believe that Lucia time in prison will play an important role in the story. Perhaps she was arrested for a crime she did not commit. Maybe she made a mistake in the past and wants a second chance, or maybe person changed her life forever. Rockstar has always been excellent and creating characters with deep and emotional stories in games like Red Dead Redemption. Second, GTA 4 players connection with characters because they feel realistic and human. Many fans now hope that Lucia will become another unforgettable rockstar character. Another interesting theory involves Jason and Lucia's relationship. Some players believe they will stay together throughout that entire game. Others think Rockstar may surprise everyone with better laws or difficult choice later in the story. This will not be surprising because Rockstar stories often including an unexpected moment, characters change, relationships break, friends become enemies. This is one reason why Rockstar game feel so exacting and realistic. There is also a possibility that Lucia's choice will affect the ending of the game. While Rockstar has not confirmed these, many fans hope GTA 6 will including multiple ending or different story paths. If that happens, players may want to replay the game's survival times to experience every out game. Beyond the story itself, Lucia is already become a culture icon. Even before the game's releasing, millions of people have decision her character. Online videos, fan art, theories, and decisions about Lucia connection to grow every day. This level of excitement shows how important GTA 6 has become for the gaming community. Another reason why Lucia is so popular is because they respond something new for the Grand Theft Auto series. Rockstar could have easily repeated the same formula they used before. Instead, they decide to create a new type of main character and tell a different kind of story. This decision has created every even more exciting around GTA 6. Of course, we still not do not know everything about Lucia. Rockstar is famous for keeping secrets until the games realized. There is are still many questions waiting to be answered. What happened before she went to person? How did she meet Jason? What is her real goal? And most importantly, how will story end? At this moment, nobody knows this answer. But that mystery is exactly what makes Lucia one of the most interesting characters in modern gaming. No matter has captured one of things is already clear. Lucia has captured the attention of millions of players around the world, and when GT 6 finally realizing she could become one of the most famous video game characters of all time. That bring us to the end of today's video. What do you want think about Lucia? Do you want believe she will become Rockstar greatest protagonist ever? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe real gaming files and turn on notification so you never miss our future GT6 videos, gaming documentaries, hidden details, and analysis. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.